Hey guys, welcome with brand new video. I am Mo Shoha. Okay, today I want to talk about make or build your resume, especially for fresh graduate, including me. After our graduation, we facing the problem to make our resume for start our new career, right? So no problem. Today I will show you few web page that might help you to make your resume. One's called Novo Resume. Novo Resume. This is the great one. Okay, so you just link will be in the description. Don't worry. Just come over this web page. Okay, and then what you have to do, you can build my resume. Click on it. Okay, or you can go to CV template, up to you. So click on build resume, and then you will come in this page. Okay, in this page, I know. And then you see the nice animation. Wow. Okay, you can select a template from here if you want to, or if you don't want, you can go over down. You can see here CV template, cover letter, and how to write. Okay, they have some instruction also. Okay, now example, you want resume, CV, cover letter. Okay, you can choose from here. So example, I want kind of these. What can I have to do? You have to click on it, and before that you have to open or sign in. I mean, sign up to in this no resume for complete your resume. Okay, so sign up is very easy. Just put your email and then okay. After that, if you select if you choose your resume or CV from here, okay, they will bring you in this surface here after you select or after you create an account. Okay, um, here you can build your resume easily. How that? They will show you basic information, and then you have to add manually by yourself. Okay, so you can basically change from your font. Okay, any font you want for your resume, and then there's the theme colors, and then there is the layout like you want layout, what kind of layout you want from here. Okay, and there is a template. If you don't like this template, you can change it from here. Okay, you can change your template. Okay, and after that you want change example here, education. Click on education. Okay, add education. Oh, okay, add education. You can go add. Okay, everything done, and then click okay. Nice. And then here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here. After you finish it, change your font color, theme layout. Click download. Download it. Finish. Boom. This is the one. The next one is called get a free CV. Okay, get free CV. When you come scroll down, you can see here most popular. Okay, example, you can click anyone you want to. So basically, I want to show you. So I click it here. This template. Okay, this is the template, right? So scroll down. You can see download. Click on download. Just wait. It's downloaded, right? Open. Okay, so open in Microsoft Word. Cool. So now what do you have to do? Just click on it and then change it. Right? It's cool. Okay. Anything you want to change, you can change from here. Great. Let's go. So you get the idea. Get free CV. And then the next one is this one, dayjob.com. Okay, basically this site is not for CV but for getting ideas. Okay, example, your architecture or your business development or whatever, there is a lots of template. So what you have to do, you just click the CV or template relevant to your subject. Okay, just click on it and then they will open like that in the WordPress page. So you can get the idea from here. Okay, so if you want this line, just make it and then copy and then go here and then change it here. You got the idea, right? Okay, great. Next one. This is CV template. This one also great. So they have lots of instruction and showing you how to work on it. So anyways, start ABC, click on it. Okay. So you can find out some templates from here. If you want like I want this, click on it, and click on it. Okay, so this is here. So now what do you want to do? You want to add an image, you want add experience, education, skills, this and that. Okay. After you finish or after you finish your amendment or editing your CV, what do you do? To download, save as, save. You get that. Hey, before finish this video, there is a one or two more web page that will help you to build your CV. That one is Evento Elements. This is if you share like CV, okay, that this link will be in description. Don't worry. And there is the lots of gorgeous CV design and template, so you can find out like you can choose anyone you want to use for yourself. And then like example, if you want this one, okay, click on it, then you find it is good for you. You can uh, send it to the companies you want to work for them. They will like this CV, okay, then you can purchase this one from here. Why you purchase? Because this is gorgeous and you like any place you can drop it and they will obviously like it because you pick some gorgeous template from this web page. Example, this one. Look at this, how gorgeous this one. So any place you throw this one, they will think, wow, this is the super awesome CV. They might be read here, they might be read here, they might be look at here. So this is awesome, right? So if you want to, you can buy this one from here. This is not expensive, just probably $16 only, okay? And then you can change it in, you can modify it in Illustrator, Photoshop, or in Microsoft as you want to. And there is another is called Krilla, I think, or Irilla, I don't know what it's called. There is the in this web page you can find out also actually if you go in this web page, okay, you can you can search like resume and then you will find out all this calculate over. So if you this is the same condition, if you like it, just go click on it. Okay, wait to wait, just wait to open because that is slow. Anyway, after it's open, you can see you like this template, okay, you like this color and you like this design, then you can purchase it like $10 only and then you can use it for yourself. There is lots of design available. You can watch it on laptop how it look like, and you get the idea. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.